So guys, ito pala yung proof of earnings ko dito sa Nikki Live at ngayon tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-withdraw. So beans guys ang ipunin natin dito para makapag-withdraw. At ang minimum withdrawals guys ay 100,000 beans or 10 US dollars. So guys, i-click nyo lang yung beans. At take note guys, huwag nyong i-click yung exchange dahil automatic yan mag-convert into coins. I-click nyo guys yung withdraw. So guys, dahil nakapag-ipon ako ng 2 million beans, so yung convert niya is $200. So dito sa amount to be confirmed guys, ay kailangan maghintay kayo ng 50 hours bago kayo makapag-withdraw. So, after ng 50 hours guys, i-withdraw nyo ulit. Ayan, makikita nyo dito guys na nasa withdrawal amount na siya. So, ang ibig sabihin guys, pwede na kayo makapag-withdraw. At ito pala guys, yung mga withdrawal method na available dito sa Pilipinas. So guys, dito pala guys sa GCash ay $200 lang ang maximum na pwede makapag-withdraw. Pero guys, sa ibang bank account or withdrawal method ay wala pong limits. So guys, try natin tong $200. So ayan, successful operations na po siya. So yun guys, $1 na lang po naiwan sa account ko. At after ng 2 hours guys, ay darating agad yung money nyo through GCash. Download Nikki Live app, just click the link in the comment section. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye!